All right, so just a little quick one from me. I've just received an email from the DVSA about low light eye tests or even low light driving tests. They're also going to be increasing test availability, which is great news because obviously we've got a huge backlog, which is gradually being worked through, but still there's a huge backlog. But what this means is for eyesight tests, under current legislation or current law, it has to be reasonable or good light. So now what they're saying is you should be able to read a number plate at 20 meters in low light conditions. So this also means that you're going to be taking your tests at nighttime. So obviously I don't think this is going to happen in the summertime because it just means that'll be just too late. But in the winter months, when you've got the sun setting at, I don't know, 3:30 in the afternoon, that now means that we can have tests at 3:30, 4 o'clock, 4:30, and therefore you're going to have to practice driving at night. I'm going to read this to you. The changes would allow us greater flexibility to offer tests in lower light conditions. This will help encourage learner drivers to practice driving more at night before their test. We recognise nighttime driving lessons are an important part of training that you offer to your pupils. However, 1 in 4 newly qualified drivers said they wished they had spent more time driving in the dark during their lessons in a recent survey. More worryingly, 1 in 10 new drivers said they had actively avoided driving in the dark since passing their test. This means around 47,000 drivers who passed their test in the last year might not be regularly driving at night. This is a real concern, especially when around a third of all road accidents involve young drivers at night. It is important that the driving test reflects real life driving conditions, and we believe this should include driving in all types of light. The consultation will end on the 8th of March at 11:59 p.m. If a third of all road accidents are occurring in young drivers at night time, this is definitely something that's really, I say definitely something's in the pipe. I would start preparing for this now. If you are one of those people that does not want to do driving lessons at night time, this is obviously now a perfect opportunity for you to go out and practice doing some nighttime driving with your driving instructor. And for all those that already do driving at night, this shouldn't be a problem, but it also means mock tests at night. That's going to be fun to record. I hope this has been valuable to you. If it has, hit that like button, subscribe for more content so that you'll know when the next video is coming out. And in the meantime, I'll see you in the next one.